Alright guys, we got this one right here. Customer said, power steering pump's making a lot of noise. It looks like it is a power steering making all that noise. So we're gonna try to fix it. Not even pumping, see that? That thing is just bubbling. But reason is bubbling. Probably sucking some air on that power steering pump. So we're gonna try and replace that pump, and hopefully the noise will go away. That's a problem guys, we gotta do that and replace the power steering pump. See, that should be pumping clean, it's causing bubble. Having bubble like that, it's like sucking air. So it's not good, so we gotta try replace it. So that's what we gotta do guys, yeah. Let's see, yep, it's fixed, no more noise. We just fixed the power steering pump. We just changed the power to the pump, we all done. We got all fixed guys. Not anymore, this is normal, no more leak. No more leak, power steering, it fixed. Come on. It's fixed.